Hey there guys, Jack Barnwell here up on Mackinac Island, and today we have a super special treat for you. I know earlier this spring we did a video through the Hotel Iroquois when it was in major construction because we redid the whole back and we were adding that big new dock and everything in the back. Well, now it's midsummer, the gardens are lush, the dock is done, it looks awesome. Let's check it out. All right, so we just got an awesome Mackinac rainstorm about 10-15 minutes ago. It absolutely poured down rain and it kind of scared a lot of the tourists away. So we have a little bit of a break in the action down in the gardens of the Iroquois here. So we thought we'd walk you guys through and show you this just lush, colorful, vibrant pathway down to the Carriage House restaurant. All the annual flowers and stuff like that are just really starting to get going here in late July. Things are just really filling out and looking awesome. This absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous sunset shades lily, looking super, super stunning in all her glory there. And I love the way the hydrangeas are just filled out. I mean, everything is just overflowing and just so plump. Again, it just rained, so some things are looking a little bit beat up. We got a heavy, heavy rain. But look at this tough stuff hydrangea looking awesome here. And we've got to come through, have the team come through and do some cleaning and trimming of some stuff like this Palabin lilac here. I'm hydrangea crazy. Palabin lilac has done its flowering. This was a beautiful big ball of purple this spring. Now it's time to trim that thing back and clean that up and have a little bit of tightness in all this flowy kind of loose color that we have going on here everywhere in the garden. So I'm really impressed with how gorgeous everything is looking. Always having to pick up, trash and keep things tight around here. But I just love it. Like even all these little planters up on the balconies and porches and stuff. We have just pockets of splashes of beautiful color everywhere. All these perennials are in just peak form right now. Look at this astilbe, this gorgeous Japanese painted fern. This variety is called Ghost. They're really stunning. They've got a little silver kind of hue to the foliage there. I like with all the water on these flowers, how it looks so pretty right now. So back here, this is what I really, really was excited to show you guys. Back here on the water side, as you remember from this spring, we had this place just absolutely tore apart. We had to take out all the brick on the whole entire back patio of the property. We had to, completely regrade and change everything, all new irrigation, new lighting, the works in a very, very finite amount of time because of course the hotel was opening. They had to get the restaurant open and start getting ready to, use this space for entertaining and for serving, lunch and dinner and everything. And look at this tiny tough stuff hydrangea right here. I love this hydrangea. It really, really holds that blue color really well, better than any of the others. You can see another one out here and that blue just pops. See the blue in the tiny tough stuff versus the regular tough stuff hydrangea that's further back there, which is also a super great hydrangea, but love the way the tiny tough stuff holds that blue color. But anyway, all of this completely got tore up this spring and we laid all the sod and everything. Just really impressed with how well this is all coming in. All the annual flowers and color makes it feel like this has just really kind of been here forever. I love the way all the pots have filled out and are so big and lush and gorgeous. I mean, it feels like it was just the other day when we were planting all this stuff, and everything is just filled out so beautifully. Of course, these are all aqua pots, so the team only has to water all these planters once a week, which is awesome, even in the full sun out here on the dock and everything. These beautiful lush planters only need watered once a week, which is awesome. We decided with the new design to shift all the seating over to one side on the Round Island lighthouse side, right on the water and everything. It just looks so much more beautiful. And then kind of continue that garden feel from the front sidewalk all the way down through and transition out to the new dock. So before, this whole corner used to be a seating area, and there was an equal amount of tables and chairs and whatnot over here in this whole corner as there was in this other front corner, and the lawn space was more centered. And now by shifting and changing everything, I'm just really happy with the way it all has turned out and the way it's working functionally as well for the servers and the bar staff. They're able to get food out here faster and service this whole space a lot better. And the dock, really, I mean, just look at this thing. It's so beautiful. This is all beautiful Ipe hardwood. It's a really gorgeous Brazilian hardwood. Absolutely stunning. Hidden fasteners, so it's just really clean look. And I think I had mentioned before, but my brother Emery built these storage boxes for all the cushions, for all the chairs and everything there on the patio. And he fiberglassed the whole top. So these are completely waterproof. They're really nice boxes. And then the bottom, as you can see, is all just this screen and open format there so they can breathe and drain. So these cushions can be stored in here in the pouring rain, but they look really nautical and nice. And then people can sit on them and have a cocktail out here and kind of relax with friends, but we also, needed that storage space for those. We wanted to really carry the Iroquois look all the way out onto this new dock space. That's why we have so many planters out here. Lots and lots of flowers to kind of continue that garden feel all the way out to the end. And then out here on the end is a really cool spot to sit, relax, look at the bridge, the sunset, the fort, East Bluff, and enjoy a cocktail or a little hors d'oeuvre or something. Really cool space to walk out here in the evening. Of course, people can come and bring their yachts and tie up here and have lunch or dinner. It's a beautiful spot to sit, enjoy the Straits of Mackinac. And right here on cue, we've got an absolutely beautiful freighter going by through the channel here. And this is a pretty tight channel between Mackinac Island and Round Island right over there. So the freighters are really quite close. And it feels like they're just right there, especially out here on the dock. I feel like I could just about, skip a stone out there and hit that thing, but I, of course, never would want to do that. But I love those older freighters with the round back like that. Beautiful. Great Lakes freighter there, probably hauling iron ore and other kind of just real raw materials around the Great Lakes. This is a beautiful space out here. The dock just got finished. It was just they did the ribbon cutting just a week ago, and it's really nice that it's all wet. It looks beautiful, to see the wood, and also there's nobody out here, so we were able to sneak out here and show you guys this whole space without a lot of people around, which is really cool. But really proud of the way this whole entire project has come together. There's been a lot of really great contractors involved, building the dock, building all of the different elements and everything with the team and I to put the Iroquois back together for this summer season. Looks absolutely stunning. We've got a couple more weeks until we're going to be preparing the hotel and many other gorgeous properties on the island for the Grand Garden Show that's coming up in the end of August. So we're really looking forward to that. If there's anything else you guys want to see videos of, we're going to be doing a lot of videos of more beautiful gardens here on the island, all over northern Michigan. We got some super cool projects going on in Florida, downstate Michigan, some projects going on in North Carolina and Kentucky. So really awesome stuff. We'll try and do as much filming as we can, but we'd be happy to hear from you guys. Let us know what you want to learn more about and see more of, and we'll do our best to film as much as we possibly can. So thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, click that bell and all of that stuff, and we'll see you guys again soon in the next video. Cheers.